Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Tradingview with Exness in 2026. So first of all, come here on Tradingview. Afterwards, log in into your account. Now, after doing this, click on this search bar here on the top. Then click on the option of the Forex tab. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the Forex pairs which you can basically launch the charts of here in TradingView. So you just have to launch any of the charts here. After launching the chart, simply click on the option of the trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now first of all, it is going to show you the list of the brokers which you can basically link here with your TradingView account. So among these, you just have to look for Exness. So use the search bar on the top right hand corner, then simply type Exness. Now if in your region Exness icon is showing here, you just have to click on that and log in with the help of your Exness login credentials. Then you can basically connect your Exness account with TradingView and you will be able to see your account balance, open the trades and the order positions directly inside TradingView. But as you can see, currently in my region, Exness option is not available for the connection here in TradingView. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can just simply use your Exness login credentials in MT5 or MT4 or via the Exness terminal in a new tab. After that, you can use TradingView for the analysis, and in order to execute your trades, you can just simply directly execute them on Exness. So they have also directly integrated the TradingView chart in their terminal, so you can also basically use or link it this way. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.